Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I have a unboxing. It's kind of an unboxing, but kind of review unboxing. I never know what to call these kind of videos. So I have the Morphe Dual Crew 9C palette that I want to talk to you about, and I've recently bought this from Depot. What was it called? Depot. It's kind of an app where you can buy things that are sometimes used or new. I actually bought this from America from a person who bought this from Ulta, is it called? We don't have that in England. And it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to talk to you about that. But before, I'm just going to rewind a bit. I just want to talk to you about me. I've literally been so ill this past week. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I just sound so croaky, and today's got even worse. It feels like it's in my chest. I don't know what it is. It feels it's such a pain, and it just feels, my throat is sore. I'm coughing a lot. It's really, really hard. So I apologise if I sound like I'm struggling to talk in this video, which never happens. You know what I'm like. So apart from that, I've just been taking Beecham's and paracetamol and ibuprofen to try and get rid of this horrible cold kind of flu that I've got. I had a flu jab about a week ago, and they do say that if you have a flu jab, that it sometimes gives you flu-like symptoms. It sometimes gives you flu-like symptoms. So I think that's what it is, but it's just really, really, it's exhausting. I'm so tired. I then want to talk about something that you've noticed probably, my hair. I've got brand new extensions in, and I've had my roots bleached. Now they do look slightly bit orangey. I just need to tone them a bit more. But this is fresh hair today, and I'll just give you another look. And you can see it is absolutely stunning. It is just beautiful. So that's my hair. I'm still getting used to it. It's still very flat because it's come out of the box, so it will get thicker as time goes by, but I'm in love with it. The colour it just looks slightly, it's platinum blonde, but the light, depending on the light, it gives it a different shade. I am completely in love with this hair. It feels like silk. I actually made a separate video about my extensions, and they're just amazing, stunning. I think it makes my face look bigger if it's out like this. I don't know. So I'm just getting used to it really, because I've had short hair for about a week, and as much as I did actually like it. It was a lot different. I didn't actually realise how long my hair actually got, but extensions are for me. I feel more comfortable in extensions, and I'm so happy they're back in. I want to take you through my makeup. I'm actually wearing one of the colours of the palette that I'm going to show you. Now, what's the colour? Purple Rain I'm wearing on my eyelids. I've got my Jeffree Star Money Honey highlighter, which I just cannot get enough of. It's just everything and more. And my Mamonde Creamy Tint Colour Balm Intense mixed with the Max Factor, I can't remember what it's called now. And that is pretty much it. Eyebrows are usual. So kind of a, you know, relaxed look, but I just absolutely love this new eyeshadow. I think it looks amazing. It's coming off really pink on camera, but it's a purple. I really hope you like my hair. I think it looks so gorgeous, and the quality, can you see? I look funny. The quality of the hair is out of this world. I just wish it would stay in this pristine colour. And also I'm wearing my hair straight, and I never wear my hair straight. I always have it in curls. So let's get on to the palette. So this is the palette here, and it's a beautiful hard case here, as you can see. It's really sturdy and lovely, and that's the back there. And if you open it up, it feels very heavy and luxe. It's actually a mirror. So you get, not only do you get 9 shades, I had to count them then because I'm so thick. You not only do you get 9 eyeshadows, you get an amazing mirror here. And it is just, it's amazing. I can't believe, I didn't actually realise it was a mirror when I bought this. I just put my finger in one of the eyeshadows I have. So I will read out the shades. So first of all, we have Rock Out, Rose Quartz. I was just going to swatch them, but I'll do it after. So first we have Rock Out. Oops. Then we have Rose Quartz. So Rock Out is kind of, what would you describe that colour? Terracotta. Rose Quartz is a glitter light purple. Purple Rain is purple with glitter. Fool's Gold is a goldy colour, and I love that one. I can't wait to try that one. Then we have a Hidden Gem, which is a purple deep colour. Chocolate Diamond, it's like, this is a brownie kind of colour. Freckles, which is a aubergine kind of colour. Stone Fox is similar to Rock Out, but it's a slight bit lighter. And Rich Girl is a deep purple. And I love the palette. The palette does say it's a dual crew, so it's kind of purpley maroon kind of palette, and I don't have that. All my palettes are kind of orangey browns. It's a beautiful palette. It's really, really gorgeous. I'm just going to swatch these colours for you. So we have Rock Out, and that's it. The pigments are just amazing and so creamy. That's Rock Out. This is Rose Quartz. This looks to me like a highlighter kind of colour. This is a purple kind of shimmer. Purple Rain, which is what I've got on now. It's a purple colour, but on my eyes, it's looking very pink. Let's clean that up. I do not want to get this dirty. Fool's Gold, which is that one. That's a gold colour. I love this. So it does make sense. It's kind of replicating jewels, like gold jewellery. Kind of jewels that shine. Then we have a Hidden Gem. I'll put this on this hand. That's a deep kind of aubergine colour. Chocolate Diamond. That's a chocolate. I mean, the payoff is amazing. Then we have Freckles. No, we don't. We have Flex, which is kind of browny purple. Stone Fox, which is terracotta but light. And Rich Girl, which is a light, not light, it's like a purple. So these colours are absolutely beautiful. I love the idea of the palette to replicate kind of jewels, shimmer, gold, purples, and really deep, rich colours. And I love shimmer palettes because I have the Maybelline palette, which is a shimmer kind of palette. The Lemonade palette, and there's a lot of metallics in there, and I just love metallics. Once more, I'll show you the palette again. Just a beautiful, beautiful palette. Lots of rich, shimmery, metallic colours. Jewelly colours, if you like. Absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try more looks with these. I'm going to do a get ready with me and try out these beautiful colours. My voice is going. And I believe you can't actually purchase this in the UK. I had to get this on Depop by an American seller, which she's absolutely amazing. So I really don't know. Actually, I think there's one website that sell it, but yeah, there's one website, but I can't for the life of me remember. But I would suggest you purchase this palette. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette. Can't wait to play with it and come up with new looks. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Sorry if I'm a bit downcast or my mood seems low. I'm just really, really, really not well. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Have you got this palette? What do you think of it? Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.